Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Zebian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In today's session, we will see the web browser security. First of all, we will understand what is the goal of web security, right? So, let us start with this session. What is the safely browser the web means? That means users should be able to visit a variety of websites without incurring harm. Okay, they are unaware of it. They don't know which site is harmful or not. Okay, so no stolen information without visas permission, but it's happened. Hackers and attackers can steal your information without your permission. Site cannot compromise session at site B. That means there is no session between site 1, site A to site B. That means they are not authorized website owner. Secure web application. Applications delivered over the web should have the same security properties we require for standalone applications. If we are talking about web browser, that means you are talking about application layer. Okay, application layer means I have a ISO model in which we have 7 layers, and each layers have different kind of working and characteristics and their responsibilities. In application layer, we are talking about your protocols like HTTPS, FTP, how to protect your data, right? So these are the protocol which is used in application layer. And whenever you are talking about for browser, so everything is considered in this session and cookies. Okay, so what is web security? Let us an example. Alice is a user which is using system, and web attackers is behind, and it they are sitting at the website, and you don't know when they could steal your data, and no victim, no control on network. Okay, you don't know who was and how did they steal your data. Okay, web threat models. Web attackers controlattacker.com can obtain SSL TLS certification for attackers.com. That means SSL means secure shell. Okay, user visit attacker.com or runs attackers Facebook app. Network attackers, passive wireless eavesdropper, active evil router DNS poisoning. These are the network attacker. Web attacker is your attacker visit attacker.com, and they control your sites. Malware attackers escapes browser isolation mechanism and run separately under control of operating system. Malware attackers browse like any software contain exploiting bugs, often enables remote code execution by website. Google study, the ghost in the browser 2007 found Trojan on 3 lakh web pages URLs, and found adware on 18,000 web pages URLs. Even if browsers were bugs free, still lots of vulnerabilities on the web. All of the vulnerabilities on previous graph. So outline of this session is we will talking about HTTP cookies and rendering content, right? So let's start what is HTTP. And so first of all, you have to understand URL, because you have uh, you have seen the HTTP and HTTPS some sites whenever you open in www. Okay, so URL is the global identifiers of network retrievals documents. Example, HTTPs. URL means Uniform Resource Locator, which gives the IP address and you can say the website address. Okay, so here is HTTP. We are talking about HTTP, hyper uh, hypertext transfer protocol, which can help you to reach the server site. Okay, so north. Okay, and this is the name of site, and here HTTP protocol is used. Northwestern is your host name. .edu is your organization name. 81 is your port, and like that is all about the fragment query. Okay, so everything is given in URL, and then you can easily go to the one side to the another side. So how to it get the request and then response? Okay, it uses some methods and algorithms by which you are easily going one side to another side and get a response from your server side. Okay, but sometime hackers changes in your HTTP security. Actually, HTTP protocol is used for security purpose. Then they can change the some content, and attacker can get your information easily. Okay, cookie is a client state. Cookie is used to store state on user's machine. Browser, if browser posts something on server and server send HTTP header, then set cookies. After that, cookie is a kind of cache memory which store whatever you visit on the internet. They store on cookies. uh, so attacker check your cookies and they can easily find out your information if it is not protected, right? So cookie is a very important in website designing. Okay, some rendering and events. Basic execution models. Each browser window or frame loads content. Render, process HTML and script to display pages, may involve images, subframes, etc. So cookies is also plays an important role for find out your data, and attacker and hacker can hack your data, right? So thank you. This is all about this session. I will discuss some other topics related to this web browser security. Thank you.